Hey everyone, friends, Waller here on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Stable Diffusion on Windows. Open up any browser, okay? Type Stable Diffusion here. Then go to GitHub, Automatic1111 Stable Diffusion. We need to scroll down here. And here we have installation and launch. So we need Python and Git. And then, go to Python. Alright, click Get the latest release. Click Install, then go to Git. Get the 64-bit Git for Windows. Now run these two files one by one. Yeah, but in my case, Python is updating, while for you, it will install. And with Git, it's the same. Open Git and install it. I already have it installed, so I don't need to. Click Next, Next, and Install. And after that, you need to download the repository. To do this, you can run cmd. So we grab this thing, copy it, paste it, and hit enter. I got an error because I hadn't installed Git. Alright, I've installed it now. Go to any drive and create a folder here, whatever you want. Right? Then we go in, type cmd, paste the command in again. But if you just paste it in the prompt, it'll install in a random place. And just like that, we're done. You've installed Stable Diffusion. That's all there is to it. Waller was with you. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.